Fed Chair Powell set for second day of testimony. TSM climbs on strong June revenue. Futures are trading higher as traders await the second day of semiannual testimony from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq both reached record highs during Tuesday's session as Fed Chair Powell indicated the United States was no longer an overheated economy. Market bets on a rate cut by September increased to 70% in the wake of his comments to the Senate Banking Committee. Key economic data including CPI and PPI prints are anticipated later this week, and Fed speakers Goolsbee and Bowman are scheduled to speak during Wednesday's session. Meanwhile, megacap tech stocks continue to be in focus amid a series of analyst notes and updates to Apple and Microsoft's roles on the board of OpenAI. In the news, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, TSM, up 2.11%, trading higher pre-market after reporting net revenue for June 2024 and the first half of fiscal 2024. Revenue for the month of June rose 32.9% on a year-over-year basis to reach NT $208.7 billion, while revenue from January to June of 2024 rose by 28% to NT $266 trillion. Calculations from Reuters estimate that fiscal Q2 revenue grew by 32% on a year-over-year basis, above expectations. Microsoft Corp, MSFT, up 0.24%, is on watch after relinquishing its board observer seat at OpenAI, citing the AI startup's improved governance over the past 8 months. The Financial Times further reported that Apple, which was expected to assume this role, has declined, and OpenAI will now host regular stakeholder meetings with strategic partners like Microsoft and Apple. Microsoft had initially taken the observer position following OpenAI CEO Sam Altman's return, but regulatory scrutiny from antitrust authorities in Europe, Britain, and the US over Microsoft's influence led to its decision to give up the seat. Alphabet, Meta, and Amazon. All three stocks are trading marginally higher pre-market after receiving price target increases from TD Cowen. Alphabet's price target was raised from $200 to $220, Meta's was raised from $530 to $600, and Amazon's was raised from $225 to $245. Crypto stocks are up 1.23%, trading higher as a group as Bitcoin looks to build on its gains during Tuesday's session, trading around the $58,500 level on Wednesday morning. Ethereum also rose to trade just below $3,100 early on Wednesday. Baidu Inc., ticker symbol BIDU, is down by 5.24%. The company's US-listed shares are trading sharply higher pre-market after jumping by more than 8% on Tuesday, with the stock rising to its highest level in over a year in China on Wednesday. Bullish options bets in the stock have reached a record high, with over 48,000 call options traded, significantly surpassing the 20-day average and doubling the number of bearish puts. Longeveron Inc., ticker symbol LGVN, is up by 9.07%, trading with strong volume after announcing that Lomecel-B, its Alzheimer's disease treatment, has received Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation from the FDA in the US. The stock, which received attention from retail traders on Tuesday as the company announced updates to its board of directors, has a short float of 46.8% out of a total float of 4.27 million shares. Carvana Co., ticker symbol CVNA, is up by 3.99%, trading higher pre-market after Needham upgraded its rating on the stock from hold to buy with a price target of $160. Separately, the company announced a streamlined shopping and checkout experience for used electric vehicle buyers, highlighting vehicles eligible for the Clean Vehicle Tax Credit. This new process allows qualified customers to apply savings of up to $4,000 from the tax credit directly during the purchase. Vivo Power International plc, ticker symbol VVPR, is up by 120%. Gapping up after securing an amendment and extension to its $34 million shareholder loan financing agreement after negotiations with the independent directors of AWN Holdings Limited. This agreement aims to provide continued financial support and flexibility for Vivo Power's operations. The stock has a float of 1.5 million shares.